Hello everyone. So this time of year I like to collect some greenery from the outdoors to incorporate it into my home decor. But I do have a DIY I wanted to share with you today that's made using some Dollar Tree products. So I'm just taking some white acrylic paint from Dollar Tree and I diluted it with water to find the stain color I'm looking for. You can make a brown or you can use shoe polish even from the Dollar Tree to stain the little wooden plaque from the Dollar Tree. And I think I'm going to be happy with it just being white because the effect is more for a Christmas decor. So the neutral pulling through with the white paint is perfect. And then I'm using glitter, heat transfer vinyl glitter by Cricut, and I'm going to cut out a sentiment. The sentiment I've chosen to weed out or cut out here on Cricut Design Space is Star of Wonder, Star of Night, and I love the glitter effect. And that's what inspired me with the quote. So the sentiment here is a little bit big on the plastic, so I'm cutting it up into pieces. You can use an easy press by Cricut to press it down. However, I'm just using my heating gun tool because it's here on my desk and handy, and I didn't have to preheat the heat press. And I'm gently just pressing down until it all adheres to the wooden plaque. So this worked perfectly, and I'm going to do it to the second portion of the vinyl. I'm just gonna heat transfer it on here. It lifted perfect, and I'm going to add some sparkles here or glitter. So I applied some Mod Podge and I'm just going to sprinkle some glitter just to continue with the whole sparkles and stuff. No, you don't have to do this. You can just keep it simple, but I added it to my tree. You can use it as an ornament. You can put it out on a display. I hope that this DIY inspires you to create something for Christmas as well or for a different holiday. And until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.
For Christmas, and Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes